This will be a two-way switch, which can be simply operated from both sides. You can easily turn it on and off from right here. And there's also a two-way switch conveniently above and below. This hall is designed to be a kitchen. And in the future, it will have plumbing and drainage set up right here, allowing for an extension into a kitchen later on. In the second bedroom, the air conditioning is installed with hidden and recessed lighting. There are 2 power outlets, a LAN outlet, and a TV outlet. Tonight, there's a large window. The spacious bathroom includes a bathtub, sink, shower, toilet, and a waterproof power outlet. It features hot and cold water with a heater under the sink. The mirror has built-in lights and a heating feature to prevent fogging. Tonight, there is a large window. Next is the bathroom. This will be the bathroom, the large bathroom. There will be a bathtub here. The sink is here. The bathroom has a rain shower and a golf cart for easy transport. This is the toilet. This is the plug. There is a waterproof plug and a mixer, hot and cold water. There is a water heater under the sink. This mirror has lights. You can easily turn the lights on and off, and there is a heater. This is a lightning rod. Yes, sir. Big mirror. Let me take you to the second floor. Okay, if you look behind, there are power outlets, almost, at every point, as designed. Go to the second floor. Behind here will be a Thai kitchen. It's designed with a polycarbonate roof, which is a light color to allow for brightness and to avoid feeling cramped. This area at the back of the house will serve as a Thai kitchen and a laundry zone. There will be drainage pipes here, and there's also a good water pipe right here. There's a power outlet available as well. This area will serve as the laundry zone, and there's a large mirror here that opens up to the side of the house. Let's go up to the second floor. Second floor. The part along the stairs will have lights. These are LED lights, and they come with sensors. They turn on and off when the motion sensor detects someone walking by. So they will light up by themselves, and then turn off on their own. The wiring is hidden, and there are lights along the staircase. Now let's just move up to the second floor. This house is in a Nordic style and charming. It's a Nordic style mixed with modern design. The ceiling is designed to resemble Nordic style, with a high ceiling. There are 3 large windows, and the air conditioning is already installed, 2 units. And there will be hidden lights, a total of 4 spots. They are curtain tracks, and also serve as hidden light tracks, which are LED lights. This is a neon sex theme. And there are power outlets on that side as well, so there are plenty of them. Show you this guest room. Customer designed this. Guest room details here. Wait, let me take you to see This is the bedroom on the second floor. This room will have a window. This is a sliding door. This sliding door is a click type, not the kind that opens left and right. There's also a switch here. A two-way switch, so you can turn it on and off from 2 different locations, over there and here. There are also power outlets. A total of 4 spots in this room. This room is similar, and over here will be... Sometimes there's a power outlet right at the foot of the TV. There's also a spot for placing the TV right here. The air conditioning has already been installed. And this is the bathroom. And this is the bathroom on the second floor.